name is Kelly Madrid. Today's date's June 9, 2019, and it's week 5 video, the respiratory system. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the tidal volume and then the minute ventilation. So for the equipment that I have a measuring tape. We're going to be measuring in centimeters. I have my balloon, okay? Have my phone because I will be timing myself on my resting rate of breathing. So I'm going to time myself 30 seconds and I'm going to start it right now. Okay, so it's 30 seconds, and then my breathing in 30 seconds was 7 breaths. So that's 7. I'm gonna do the breaths per minute. So since I got 7 in 30 seconds, I'm just gonna double it up. So it's gonna be 14 breaths per minute. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm stretching out my balloon. I'm gonna take a normal breath and then exhale that breath into the balloon. All I got. As you can tell, it's small. I have weak lungs. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it, and then I'm going to get my measuring tape and measure the circumference of the balloon. So what I'm going to do, I am going to kind of push it down so I can get a round sphere look on the balloon, just because if I leave it like this, it looks like an oval. I want an accurate circumference. So I'm going to hold that and then measure it right there. And that is 36.5. You can see right there. So my circumference is 36.5 centimeters. So then the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find out my radius. So how do I find out my radius? Well, I have an equation that they provided. So I'm gonna get my circumference. Let me get on my calculator first. So the equation is circumference divided by 2 pi. Or circumference divided by 6.28. So my circumference is 36.5, and I'm going to divide that by 6.28. And my radius, as you can see right here, 5.81 centimeters. I'm going to write that down. Okay, so now I have my radius. Now what I'm going to find now is my tidal volume, and that's in mLs. So there's an equation for that too. It's going to be 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3. So I'm going to get the 5.81, which is my radius. You can see right here. And then I'm going to cube it. And I'm going to times that by pi. And then times that by 4. Then that gives me 2,464, that big number right there. And then I'm going to divide it by 3. So let me confirm I did that right. 5.81 cubed times pi times 4 divided by 3. Yep. So I get my volume is 821.51 mLs. That is my tidal volume. Okay. So now I'm going to find my minute ventilation. So I'm going to get those mLs, that tidal volume, which is 821.51. And I'm going to times it by my breaths per minute, which is 14. Times it by 14. Okay, so I get that number. Then I'm going to divide it by 1,000, which is 11.5 liters. Okay, so it's 11.5 liters per minute. So that is my minute ventilation. So I did one trial. The lab was different. There was 3 trials we had to do. Obviously, I repeated the same steps, but with 3 trials instead of 1. So this is just an example how to get the tidal volume for this week's video. Thank you.